In this tutorial, I am going to design this head gasket. The drawing of this head gasket is given. We just needed to design this circle, then add this thing, and then circular pattern, and we will be done. So let's go and design it. The units are in inches. Make sure the units are selected in inches, IPS inches. We are good. If units are not in inches, you just need to go here on option. You can also select the units from here and just make sure in millimeter or other you want, or you can also do it by going to change it from here. But if you want to change it from the status bar, you needed to change it before beginning your model. So go to sketch, and I'm going to select this on my front plane. Just select the circle and draw two circles starting from the origin, and then dimension it. The dimension of inner circle is 2.75 and the outer circle is 3.550. It's fully defined. You can tag the dimension and keep it everywhere and exit the sketch. Then go to normal view and select the features and extrude, and this extrusion thickness is given as 0.25. Now I am going to start my sketch on this front face. Select this face and select this sketch, or you will first select this sketch, and then when this message appear, it's asking about to sketch the select the sketch plane. I am going to select this one and make it normal. Now I am going to draw two lines. Make sure the line is horizontal, and then I am going to draw a line at some angle, and make sure the first point from region and second point this outer circle, and select. Now make sure these we needed these two lines for our reference. These two lines are not involved in this sketch. These are just for our reference and to give the dimension to this sketch. So I'm going to select this line, and make sure you select the for construction, and this line will be converted into dotted lines, and again for construction, and click OK. These two lines are converted into dotted lines, and these two lines are in for our reference. These are not involving in the sketch. And go and select the circle, and make sure you start your circle from this point, the end of this line, and draw circle. Click OK to deactivate this circle command. Now I'm going to dimension it. So dimension of this circle is given as 0.75, and select this line and this line, because we are going to add the angular dimension. I am going to do it again, so make sure you got it. Select smart dimension, select this line, and then select this line, and the dimension between them is 40 degree. The angle between them is 40 degree, sorry, 45 degree. Now I am going to include this outer edge into my sketch. We can do that by drawing another circle from the origin and giving it the dimension, the same dimension of the outer circle, or we can do it by using the convert identities. But this convert identities will do, it will make this outer circle has included in this sketch. So as you see at the outer, this outer edge is now converted into the circle, and it's included in that sketch. And now we basically don't needed this portion from this to this. We don't needed this portion. We just needed this arc, the smaller arc in the that circle. So I am going to select trim. Make sure the trim to close is selected, and trim it and trim it. And again we don't needed this portion, so I am going to select this one and this one. we just needed this portion of that sketch. Hope so now you got it which portion we needed, and exit the sketch. And then again go to feature and extrude it, and make sure the extrusion direction is in right. So this one is not right, we needed to change that into other direction, and make sure this depth of extrusion is 0.025. Click OK. Now this is added. Go to isometric, and again I am going to select sketching and select this front face and make it normal. Select the circle tool and move your mouse. When you select this circle, a pencil will be appear and a little circle with the pencil, that's showing that this circle command is activated. Now move your circle to that edge. When you move your mouse, that pencil into that edge, it will show the center of that circle, and we needed to start our new circle from this center and dimension it. This dimension is 0.340, and exit the sketch, go to features, and we needed to cut the material. Make sure for the direction of that cut is in right side and make it through. Click OK. Now we needed to add the fillet. Select the fillet, and we needed to select these two corners for the fillet. Enlarge it by moving the middle wheel. Select this corner and select this corner. Rotate the model for the right selection. You can rotate it by pressing the middle mouse button, and this one is 0.5. Okay, we are all good. Now we needed to um, make these three features, this feature, this extrusion, this cut, and these fillets. These three features we needed to circular pattern. So go to linear pattern, and when you click on this little triangle to pop up the other option of pattern, so select the circular pattern. Under the direction, I'm going to click this little this edge, or we can also select the outer edge for our axis of the extrusion. And under features to pattern is just selected the fillets and just expand it and select this cut and this boss extrusion. And now these three features are selected. We just wanted these three features to circular pattern in, and make sure the equal spacing is selected. And for instances, number of instances, we needed to make sure it's 4, and the model is done. Again, you can add the material by going to rubber, and this one, the model is done. Thank you so much.